Right, so for the third part, we're going to take this solution for the second part. We're going to add animated images, a video, and some sound. Starting off with the animated image, you'd be glad to know it's the exact same code as a regular image. I'm just going to zoom in here so it's clearly visible in the video. So example of a GIF, I say this is just the same. So I'm going to put this in here, just this is the image bit. And I'm going to scroll down, put it right near the bottom. So I can get rid of this code. I'm probably not going to use this. I'm going to get rid of that, which I've done. And right now, the very bottom bit is this. I think actually I accidentally typoed this in from earlier, but it's not supposed to be there in the solution. But actually, I'm going to put in exactly that same one. So look, it's right back again. Because I'm going to change it. And what I'm going to do is just make this, I don't know, what will I put in the, like, robo dancing. Some robot dancing. Rob dancing, I don't know who Rob is. Right, I need a GIF. I've got one here in my example. A GIF is basically just an animated image. Is it GIF or is it GIF? Who cares? It's GIF. I mean, graphic. G is graphic, right? So don't say graphics. So yeah, I'm gonna put it here under my stuff. I think rather than use this one, I'm just gonna delete this one and put in one so you can see it happen. See the magic happen. I'm gonna put in, like, I want a Power Rangers one. Robot. If you're a serious website, if you're actually making a real project, please don't put in a Power Rangers thing. But here we go. These guys, of course, they're dancing. I mean, who could not get in a robot suit and start dancing? So, right click, open image, new tab, and I want to find something that ends in .gif. There it is. Brilliant. And that's all I want. So copy that. Go back to your website here, upload a file, and you can just copy paste in there. There you go. And that's it. And it should go, think about it there, and you can see is it RoboPic? Has it come up there? Power Rangers Zord, right? Zord Dance. I'm going to drag that into my stuff just to keep it nice and tidy. I'm just going to rename it just dance.gif to keep it nice and short. Back into my index and let's add it in. So I scroll down to where the code for this is, and I had it in here. It was I've called the alternative text here. This is what shows up if it doesn't load for whatever reason, or also for accessibility for screen readers. And that's now going to be whatever it's called. So dance.gif. Now, why have I made a mistake there? Because I forgot I put that in my stuff, didn't I? So it's going to be the folder my stuff /dance.gif. There we go. Now it works. Great. So that is pretty much it. You can think about putting it in the center and aligning a bit better, but again, I'm gonna leave all styling for another video. We're just gonna get the content in here, so we've ticked the box, we have all the good stuff, and then we can worry about making you look good later. Right. Next thing, it was a YouTube link. Well, this is easy enough. You just go to YouTube, find the very first video that comes up here. Let's go for this one here, Tim Dodd, the Everyday Astronaut. I'm just going to show you. So you just click share, you click embed, and there's the code there. Look, copy it all. You can even kind of have it start at a certain point or whatever. Copy that, Control C. Go back to your website. This is very easy. Right down the bottom here, I'm going to put mine in here. And yeah, just make sure you're inside the body there. There's the end of the body. So I'm going to put mine here. And play. I just copy pasted it in there. Look, there you go. And you can change the size of it in the text here if you want. But like, it's grand. What's the size? Like, there's a height. CV height, width. Change it to whatever you want. Last thing is the sound. Right. So yeah, the sound will work just fine. You just gotta find the code for it. Example of a sound. Grab it from my example here. Go back to your Yokowabi, paste it in there, and yeah. Ooh, hang on, just 1 sec. Because that fan started to make noise. So I've got my audio thing in there. It's not going to play the sound because, oh my god, it did. Wow. I forgot that this file was already in here. Epic Battle Music. Hopefully that doesn't blow your ears. So if you want to, you actually have to upload the MP3. So the way you find MP3s, there's a few different ways you can do it. Like if you want some just quick instant sounds, if you just go to my instance, it's a little memey. My instance has a website where it's like just click on a button, and his name is probably John Cena. Oh my god, my ears! Oh, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Now I'm gonna have to go into this editing thing and turn down the volume before somebody like loses a set of speakers. Right. Let's try and do this.
And his name is John Cena!
Don't right click on it. You think right click on the text. So maybe, if I click on the link button, link copied to the thing. If I paste in that there now, I want to actually go, go. There we go. Click on the text and then go download MP3. All right, download MP3, show in folder, copy it there, and then go into your thingamajiggy, go upload file, and there's the John Cena one. Okay, and up it goes, and his name is John Cena, renamed to something nice and short like John, and yeah, that's it. Scroll down and just adjust the. I don't know why I've got this horse one in. I think that was the second example. It was to show that that's a .ogg file. There's different types of sound files. So .wav is just like a short little sound. .mp3 is generally music. I'm going to change this to John so it works. And yeah, I'm going to have to run it to update it. Example of the sound. Example. I'm just going to say, and his name is ...
And his name is John Cena!
Okay, that's enough. So, right. I've added some content there. Yeah. Now, I'm getting to the stage now here where I'm adding things, but they're not really super to do with my website. Like that's kind of just all over the place, and it's not very integrated, and none of this really makes sense why there's a robot dancing here. And so so when you're making your website, obviously put in stuff that makes sense to your website. Put in an animated GIF. So you might look, if you want a nice animated GIF, I would probably suggest one with a white background that matches the background of your website, which will look a lot nicer than that one, A video could be you explaining your website. It could be a video of your product in operation. And a sound file could be literally just like maybe just like an audio description of just saying like a soundbite, this is my thing, here's what it does, and blah blah blah. Even just like a 20-second or 10-second soundbite saying this is what it does. So you can record that and put it in there if you want. Okay. If you are recording stuff, you'll have to record stuff. Maybe just save it to Google Drive or something like that, and then get the link and upload it to REPL. You can't record sound directly into REPL by itself. Right. So that is pretty much it. That is, now we're on to kind of tidying it up and stuff. Yeah, I think we're probably good to go. These are on the same line, by the way, the GIF and the video. The way you fix that, of course, is I should have had a BR to break a little gap in between those two. So where was the video was here, and then the dancing stuff was there. So I'm just going to put BR to break that. And now actually when it runs, you should find that it's on another line there. Okay. That's it. Now, next we'll get to fixing this whole everything to the left, and that'll be that. But for now, we all done.